many of the unexplained deaths, like every family now, but due to now, every day, I now for more reason to say that a youth will die inexplicably, and instead of the family to go and ask what happened, why did this person die suddenly, they go say the Lord brings and the Lord taketh away. They will go and bury a corpse that belongs to an oracle. Somebody stole somebody's money, a legal businessman. Person way, you know how difficult Nigeria is for people when they do Yahoo. You're going to give you money, family will sell land to for them to go abroad, go help their family fortunes. You go carry the money. You can't die because your family is Christians. They no go ask why this person died. They go just carry and go bury. Another person will die, and another person will die, and another person will die. People know they fear. They go call person, say deity, they call them. They go bone.
Some instead of to pay 400,000, go use 350,000, go they find juju, we go defend them. You played yourself, you know, go past 3 days.
No be the first time, no be the second time. Make of this what you wish. Thanks for streaming Processing My Pain, including people where pain they come to.
Keduzi, kedonyem ga kowa balo.